When I was young, I didn't know any business owners or marketing people. It took me a long time to learn what was actually working and what wasn't. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to create Vivid Talks. I wanted to create a space where people can form a community and learn from each other, where actual practitioners who have done the things that actually work in reality, who come there to the community and they share their knowledge with everyone else, so everyone can learn from each other and can exchange ideas. Vivid Talks is a bit of a marketing conference mixed with a mastermind group. And what we do is we invite experts from the community, business leaders, marketing experts, social media strategists, people who have training in sales, people who are really good communicators, for panel discussions and for mini workshops. And at the end of each night, we have this amazing networking session where everyone can mingle with each other and they can talk to the speakers and the panel guests and discuss what was just taught on stage. And this is really something really awesome. And we have done a couple of events in London and we want to open this up to the world. We are looking for hosts who want to host their own Vivid Talks event in their own city. So if you're like from New York, Sydney, Australia, Dallas, wherever you are in the world, and you want to host an event, just leave me a message down in the comments below, or send me a private message and let's have a chat. And I think this is going to be really awesome if we can create those mastermind groups around the world. What we want to do over time is we want to record all those mini marketing sessions, these little workshops. We want to get them on camera, we want to upload them on our YouTube channel and create this amazing library of knowledge. So not only the people who are living in some cool big cities can learn from that, but everyone, like in any corner of the world, can learn and exchange and be part of the community. And I'm really looking forward to hearing from you and to have some amazing Vivid Talks events all around the globe really soon. If you want to know what Vivid Talks is all about, check out the 4 videos of our last events. I added them at the end of the video so you can get a better feeling what it's like, how much fun it is to be there, the speakers, the audience, how everyone is networking and learning from each other. Check it out.